Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. What if I told you that one free tool helped me to learn advanced English vocabulary, create YouTube content and become more confident? Stay with me till the end because I will show you exactly how. Today I want to share something personal. Many people ask me how I learn advanced English vocabulary, how I get ideas for my videos, and how I continue improving English every day. The answer is simple. I use ChatGPT as a learning partner. In this video, I will share how ChatGPT has become a catalyst in my English learning journey. A few months ago, I often found myself at a loss for words during conversations. I knew basic English, but I wanted to sound more fluent and confident. I wanted to learn advanced English vocabulary, idioms, and phrasal verbs, but I didn't know how to start. Sometimes I felt like I was running in circles because despite my efforts, I was not seeing much progress. There were days when I wanted to throw in the towel, but I decided to keep going. One day I came across ChatGPT, and honestly, it was a turning point. Instead of spending hours searching for explanations online, I could simply ask questions and get instant answers. Whenever I encounter a new word, I look it up on ChatGPT. Whenever I need speaking topics, ChatGPT helps me come up with fresh ideas. It means it's like having a personal tutor available 24 by 7. Every day I learn new words. ChatGPT doesn't just provide meanings, it also teaches me how to use these words naturally. It gives me conversation topics and sample answers that help me brush up on my speaking skills. When I participate in discussions, I feel more confident because I have a wider vocabulary at my disposal. As a content creator, I often need fresh ideas. Whenever I hit a creative block, ChatGPT helps me figure out new topics, scripts, and captions. Over time, I noticed significant improvement. My vocabulary expanded, my confidence increased, my communication became more articulate and impactful. Most importantly, I stopped being afraid of making mistakes. I learned that progress doesn't happen overnight, but if you stay consistent, success will eventually follow. As a content creator, one challenge is finding fresh ideas. Whenever I need a new topic, ChatGPT helps me generate new ideas related to English learning and public speaking. It also helps me create titles, descriptions, hashtags, and video outlines. This saves time and allows me to focus on creating valuable content for my audience. Public speaking is not just about speaking English, it's about confidence, clarity, and communication. ChatGPT helps me practice speech topics, vocabulary, storytelling, and presentation skills. Every day I learn new expressions, idioms, and phrases that make my communication more impactful. However, there's something very important to remember. ChatGPT is a tool. A tool cannot replace discipline. A tool cannot replace consistency. A tool cannot replace hard work. Okay? You can have the best resources in the world, but if you don't practice, nothing changes. Real growth happens when knowledge meets action. If you are learning English, don't rely on ChatGPT alone. Use it as a learning companion. Practice speaking daily, record yourself, read books, and watch interviews. And most importantly, put what you learn into practice. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but every small step brings you closer to your goal. Today, ChatGPT is more than just an AI tool for me. It's a learning partner that helps me grow every single day. It helps me broaden my horizons, sharpen my communication skills, and stay motivated on my journey. If you are serious about improving your English, give ChatGPT a try. It might just be the breakthrough you have been looking for. Remember, learning is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself. In conclusion, ChatGPT has helped me become a more confident learner and content creator. It has expanded my vocabulary, improved my communication skills, and helped me stay consistent. But the credit doesn't belong to technology alone. The credit belongs to every learner who shows up every day and keeps improving. Remember, small improvements every day lead to remarkable results over time. Now, ChatGPT has become an indispensable part of my English learning journey. It has helped me broaden my horizons and improve my communication skills significantly. Whenever I come across a new word, idiom, or phrasal verb, I simply look it up on ChatGPT, and it provides clear explanations along with practical examples. This has helped me pick up new vocabulary much faster and brush up on my language skills every day. One thing I truly appreciate is that ChatGPT helps me think on my feet. It helps me, it provides me thought provoking topics, conversation questions, and speaking prompts that encourage me to express my ideas more confidently and fluently. Whenever I feel stuck or run out of ideas, ChatGPT helps me come up with engaging content for my YouTube videos. Whether I need speech topics, vocabulary lessons, or storytelling ideas, it never fails to inspire me. Another remarkable benefit is that it helps me iron out my grammatical mistakes and refine my sentence structure. As a result, my communication has become more polished, articulate, and impactful. I also receive daily vocabulary, idioms, and phrasal verbs, which have helped me step up my game as an English learner. Instead of learning them in isolation, I learned how to use them naturally in real life situations. In a nutshell, ChatGPT has been a game changer for me. It has not only enhanced my English proficiency but also boosted my confidence. It constantly motivates me to push my boundaries and strive for continuous improvement. So, ChatGPT is not just a tool, it's my learning companion that helps me unlock my potential, sharpen my skills, and become a more confident English speaker every single day. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And tell me in the comments, how do you improve your English every day? And what is the most useful thing ChatGPT has helped you with? I would love to hear your experience. So, success is not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. If you want to improve your English vocabulary and public speaking skills, please subscribe to the channel because I upload new words and expressions every day. As a bonus, I am displaying all the advanced vocabulary from this video on the screen. Save it, revise it, and add these words to your active vocabulary. Thank you.